Hi everybody, welcome to today's video.
People get into trouble is when they don't maintain their house, when they defer that maintenance. And deferred maintenance is the biggest cause of inspection defects that we see out there. Usually when we see something bad or failed or wrong with a house, defective, it's because of deferred maintenance. If you don't spend that 1% per year that you've been saving up, if you don't address things as they fail, as that comes along, and I'm thinking I've got some peeling paint on trim outside I really need to address this spring, the problem is just going to get worse and worse, and it's going to cost more and more to fix it later on. So if you defer a whole bunch of maintenance and then you go to sell your house, it's going to cost more money than it should, either for you as the seller to fix all that stuff, or in today's market, for the buyer to catch up on that stuff until they can get that house back in that normal maintenance pattern. And we see things like this all the time. House needs a new roof. Furnace is approaching the end of its average life, which is not necessarily a defect, but if it hasn't been well maintained, you've probably shortened that life. Same thing with the AC system. You've got woodwork outside that needs painting. There's some rot in the deck out there, and you get a house with conditions like this. It's obviously going to cost more than that 1% average per year to catch up on the maintenance of that house. Used to be the sellers ended up paying for that and going out of pocket for all those expenses. Right now, it's kind of split between sellers and buyers, but eventually it's going to go back on sellers again, where it's going to be incumbent on them to fix this kind of stuff.